Understanding miss out on in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting and widely used English phrase, miss out on. This phrase is common in everyday English, and understanding its use can really help in grasping the nuances of the language. So, let's get started. Miss out on is a phrasal verb that carries the meaning of failing to experience or take advantage of something. It implies a lost opportunity or the absence of participation in an event or activity. For instance, if someone says, "I missed out on the concert last night," they mean they didn't get the chance to attend the concert, possibly leading to a sense of regret or disappointment. Understanding how to use miss out on in sentences is crucial. Let's look at some examples. 1. You'll miss out on a great opportunity if you don't apply for that job. 2. I can't believe I missed out on the sale at my favorite store. 3. He missed out on the family reunion due to his business trip. These sentences illustrate the common contexts in which miss out on is used, typically referring to events, opportunities, or experiences. Miss out on is often used in contexts where there is a sense of regret, disappointment, or FOMO, fear of missing out. It's not just about not participating or attending. It's also about the emotional consequence of that absence. For example, missing out on a friend's wedding might carry a sense of regret for not being part of a significant event in their life. While miss out on is specific in its usage, there are synonyms and variations that convey a similar meaning. Phrases like pass up, forego, or lose the chance can sometimes be used interchangeably depending on the context. However, the emotional aspect of miss out on is unique to it. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase miss out on more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is about grasping these small nuances that make your communication more effective and natural. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using miss out on in your own sentences. Happy learning!